15 Ways to Make $1 Million. The value of $1 million may be different based on the time you earned it, but it is never possible to achieve it. Today, there are more ways the world can offer to earn your first $1 million. So why wait till your 60s and 70s? By then, you'll be too old to enjoy the fruit of your labor. It'll be great to earn them in the next couple of years and be financially free to travel and enjoy your life. In this video, we will show you 15 ways to make $1 million. So be sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Your roadmap to $1 million starts here. At number 1, pay off your debt. This is fundamental when you want to make $1 million. Focus on paying all your debts. Millionaires keep their debt from a minimum amount to absolute zero. Paying off your credit card debt is one of the most important investments you can make into your millionaire life. This way, you can be free of high interests and start saving quicker. Once you pay off the interest on your debt, that money can be easily put into savings. And if you can do it as fast as you can, the quicker for you to achieve your $1 million. Number 2, save, save, save. Your saving has to be intentional. To make savings easier, one method could be setting it or forgetting it. Set your goal every time you have a paycheck deposited and set your bank account to automatically put a certain amount in your savings account or investment portfolio. You can even set a schedule, the date when your work pay will arrive. This way, your finances are more organized and will not mix to your spending funds. Remember the simple tip: do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what's left after saving. 3. Win a lottery. Though it may seem impossible, it's still worth a try. Hitting the jackpot is still a viable way to make $1 million. Thanks to technology, people can play the lottery and conduct larger deals of their business through emails, online cloud services, and the internet in general. This approach is being taken seriously by others who deal with lottery as a career. Number 4, start a business. If you can't save more, earn more by starting a business. You can start small. Why not turn your passion into a money-making opportunity? Perhaps you're passionate about writing, calligraphy, yoga, photography, baking. Your knowledge and expertise on the subject can be turned into a business. You can do it either by getting family members and friends as your immediate customers, or you can teach and create an online workshop. Ideas are endless. It's only waiting for you to tap it to bring in that extra income every day of the year. You'll have $1 million before you know it. Number 5, buy and flip. Property flipping can take effort and planning, but your return on investment can be significantly higher. A seasoned property flipper can earn $1 million in a year if done correctly and with the right system, said Jerry Norton, the author of How to Make $1 Million a Year Flipping Houses. Kent Clothier, for example, who find a distressed home and buy it for less than he would show it to an interested buyer and sell it. Today, he flips over 1,000 properties and manages 5,000 through his real estate worldwide company. Number 6, sell in Etsy. You can start your own online shop by choosing a specific niche or product. For example, you could sell baby items or vintage products, then sell them on Etsy. Alicia Schaefer, an Etsy shop owner of 3 Birds Nest, makes $80,000 a month selling handmade leg warmers, scarves, and headbands on Etsy. You can slowly build your customer by getting a high customer rating and good feedback. Number 7, sell preloved items. Selling preloved items or secondhand stuff can be your way to $1 million. The range of items that you can sell varies from clothes, books, gadgets, fashion accessories, cosmetics, baking appliances, and a whole lot more. There are plenty of sites and apps like eBay and Poshmark where you can market and keep the dollar coming. Number 8. Invest and sell your knowledge. Investment is like planning. It takes time and patience to see it grow before we can enjoy its fruit. The same way that it takes hard work in investing in your knowledge that will someday be a way for you to accumulate wealth. E-learning industry, for instance, is expected to boom and develop in the future. It is a perfect opportunity to make money by creating an online course and sell it to people who want to learn to speak English, or how to knit, or how to develop a business plan. You can make millions by selling this knowledge online using platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Amazon. Number 9. Scale up your skills. What are you good at? List them down and then use technology to scale those strengths and skills. For example, Samantha Hess, owner of Cuddle Up To Me, claims to have 10,000 hits through the Cuddle app. Rachel Charlupski scaled her babysitting business into a network of over 1,500 babysitters by using mobile phones. Dan Mezheritsky, a personal trainer, offered in-home personal training and business franchising. He also built customized software to automate many functions for his business. Number 10. Publish an ebook. Do you like writing stories? Why not publish it or sell them to Kindle or Amazon? John Locke, for instance, sold over 1 million Kindle ebooks in just 5 months. Amanda Hocking, her paranormal novel became a hit and has sold 1.5 million books to Amazon. And Mark Dawson earned $450,000 in 2014 from his self-published ebooks. Sometimes you need to think outside the box to make that cash. But for an 11-year-old boy, he goes underwater to find his way to make millions. Which also goes for number 11. Invent a toy. Richie Stachowski invented a water toy called Water Talkies, which allows you to talk underwater. He probably got his inspiration from his dad, a registered diver who also helped him create the prototype using the $267 he had in his own savings account. When asked, what does it take to be an inventor at his age? He simply said that, if you think you have a good idea, go for it. Number 12. Be a social media celebrity. There's no better platform to make $1 million than the internet. But among the ways to profit online, becoming a social media celebrity is perhaps the most fun. For instance, Evan, behind the EvanTube HD, makes an estimated $1 million annually for reviewing toys. You can be a top influencer online like this kid and can take home about $187,000 per Facebook post and $150,000 per Instagram, according to Forbes, if your video goes viral. Number 13. Get a franchise business. If you are not creative, you can also work your way to making your millions by franchising, a business where you already have a proven method and already established brand. Think of Subway or Starbucks. How does this work? Reach out to the company that offers a franchise business license. In exchange for all the tools and training you need is a certain standard franchise fee or a percentage of profit the business is generating. Many profitable franchise businesses that can start from $10,000 depends on your location and budget. Number 14. Develop an app. With smartphones and mobile devices becoming almost like a part of human anatomy, apps go with it like blood to a vein. Over 5 million apps are available for download via Apple, iTunes App Store, the Google Play Store, or Amazon in dozens of categories. Whatever you imagine, there's probably an app for that. The amount of how much you can earn in an app varies extremely based on the type of app. For example, a game like Candy Crush makes over $800,000 daily through app purchases, and the creator of Clash of Clans game generated about 848 million euros. And lastly, tag along with those who already made it. Pick their brains and become their apprentice. So, number 15 is find a millionaire coach. Having a mentor simply means having access to wisdom brought by experience and connections that will make your push towards your million. Even if you can't be a mentee under this person, you can try and work under their wing or simply observe and analyze how they do stuff and learn as much as you can. Later on, when it's your time to be a mentor, you can build coaching, consulting, or mentoring business in your area of expertise. How to make $1 million. You already know everything you need to make $1 million. Now, you just need to take action. So what are you waiting for? If you watched this video up to this point, please write Millionaire Me. That way, we will know you will be on your way to earning $1 million. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our next video. Are you ready?